Well, folks, I think it's like week 7, COVID-19 lockdown. The longer this goes, the crazier I get. It's breakfast time, and I'm getting bored with some of these meals. I mean, how many times can you have pancakes, right? So, I'm amping it up today. We're doing stuffed pancakes. Stuffed. With what? You'll see. I know. Week 7. Oh my God. Save us, please. All right, folks, who has ever had stuffed pancakes? Well, I'm only going to make a few here. Now, who's ever had potato pancakes? Okay, no. Potato pancakes, usually leftover mashed potatoes. You put them into a cake format the next morning. Walla walla bing bang. Here we go. We've got just some buttermilk pancake batter here, no big deal. It's a little on the thin side, which is good because what I have here, that's right, I made up some hash browns. They're going in the batter. You see that? We are doing a potato pancake, but really has pancake in it. It's just not potato cakes. This is potato pancakes, but hold on, folks. Things are going to get a little funnier. Bacon. We got some bacon bits we're throwing in there. That's right, just some leftover bacon I've got. Chopped it up. Sausage. When I said we're having stuffed pancakes, I meant it. So here's the deal. We got some pancake batter here. I need to thin it out just a little bit with some milk. All right. Let's get this mixed up. We're getting there. We want it to flow nicely on the pan. Okay. All right, so we do have sausage. We have bacon. We've got hash browns in there. All right, here we go, folks. We got our little Miss Butterworth grill here. Let's go ahead and get it buttered up for Mrs. Butterworth. I think I'm only going to make like 3 pancakes. All right, here we go. Let's see if this will work out. Still might be a little too thick, maybe. I'm thinking so. I still need a little bit more milk, folks. All right, folks, are you ready? I hope you can see this. 1, 2, 3. We're going to go back to 2, drop a little more. Oh my. All right, we're going to just flatten this out a little bit. They're a little stuck together. I put them too close. That's fine. We can cut them, right? Okay, folks. We're going to cook these a little bit low and slow, all right? Not too fast. Let's let these ferment for a minute. Stuffed pancakes, bacon, hash brown, sausage. All right, it looks like these bad boys are ready to flip. Oh, look at that. Nice golden brown. Oh, look at that, folks. Oh, yes. Absolutely. All right, folks, they are ready. Look at that. Crazy. All right, 3 pancakes loaded. Okay, let's take a look at these. You know what we got to do. Yep. Ooh, get a little butter in there, right? Oh, let's get a little butter on top. Let that start to melt, of course. Okay. And here we go. That's right. Aunt Jemima. Oh, it smells delicious. You can actually smell, you know, the sausage, the bacon in there. So let's see what we've got now. So look at that, folks. They're just stuffed. I don't know if you can see that. All the meats and the hash browns and stuff. Let's go ahead and take a taste test. See what we've got. Wow, it is different. Definitely you can taste the pancakes. It's a whole meal in one. Hash browns, sausage, bacon, all in one. The maple flavor tops it off. That is good. I'm surprised. It's better than I thought it would be. Well, we had these guys showing me up. They wanted stuffed pancakes. I didn't even know what they were talking about. I think the hash browns, they add quite a unique little flavor. Those are just frozen hash browns. I just grilled them up, put a little salt on them. I think I like that little saltiness. Oh man, that's delicious. There you go, folks. Stuffed pancakes. Well, folks, there's only one thing that these are missing. Next time, right here, right on top, I'm going to do one of my basted eggs, and I'm going to drop that sucker right on top and pop a hole so the yolk just runs all over it. Then I'm going to cover the whole thing with maple syrup. Loaded, stuffed pancakes with hash browns, bacon, sausage, and I'm going to pop an egg on top next time. Oh, yeah. Well, there you have it, folks. Loaded pancakes. That's right. Stuffed and loaded. Sausage, bacon, hash browns inside your pancakes. What could be better? Well, maybe with that fried egg on top. Give that a try. You know, a lot of my friends locked up with the COVID-19 lockdown, you know, and they're eating in all the time. They're having a hard time coming up with new recipes and stuff. They're getting bored. Some people have told me they're afraid to order out, so they just keep, you know, one person told me they're eating canned food. That's all they've got left, and they just keep eating canned food. So, you know what? You don't have to be boring. Go ahead and let your imagination run wild. Check out these pancakes. It was crazy. Somebody threw this in my head yesterday. I'm like, what are you doing with your pancakes? And he told me. I says, okay, well, I'm going to do it one better, you know. And he was putting in some bacon in his. So I went up with sausage, threw in the hash browns. Those are just frozen, grilled them up. I warmed up the sausage, warmed up the bacon. Bing, bam, boom, done. You saw it. It's simple, easy peasy. Tastes really good. It's different. Give it a try. Don't be boring. Don't be ordinary. Okay? Put yourself out there. Have some fun. You know, and everything's going to work out. Wash your hands. We'll catch you on the flip side. Oh, and make sure you subscribe to the channel. And leave me a comment. Let me know what you guys are thinking. You guys take care and thanks for watching. Bye-bye.